Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I got a big old bag of stuff here from Fansells. Yes, so we're gonna get it out of here and we're gonna see what's up. We got all kinds of different things. Got something that comes like that, something that comes like that. So you know, these are gonna be fun things. These look like actual canvases. 1, 2, 3. How many things are in here? 4, 5, 6. We got this thing. Okay, I think that's it. The bag is emptied. I don't think I'm going to do all these at once. What do you think? Let's do these. Let's do those, and let's see how many we're over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll throw one of those on there. We'll do a little 4 and then a little 5. How's that? Sound good? Sounds good to me. All right, we'll do this in a couple parts. I just don't feel like having it be like, 30 minutes long. I could, but I don't want to. All right, let's look at the painting first, because I'm assuming it's a painting, right? It looks like a painting. Okay, we'll look at that first. So thank you for sending these over, Fansells. You guys, they're coming up with such cute, cute things. The special projects, the off-the-canvas projects, just new things all the time. And boy, I'm loving it. I am loving it. I will get those every time. All right, so let's get this out of here. Yeah, a painting. See, it's a painting. All right, looks like a small one. It's not very big. It's a little guy. After I do this video, I'm doing a video for Smashing the Specials. Give you guys all the details on Smashing the Specials. Oh, you'll see that before you see this. Okay, there's our drills. We'll look at those in a minute. And here's our painting. What do we have? We have 12 different shapes, colors, sizes, things. Look at those. Ooh, those are gonna be cool. Big, long, icicle-looking things. Nice. This will be fun. So what is it? It's just a cute little floral picture with a dragonfly, right? 30 by 40. That is not 30 by 40. It says 30 by 40. There's no way. This is a 30 by 30, which is actually probably a 24 by 24, something like that. Definitely not 30 by 40. That's funny. That's inches. That's not going to help me out. So from printed edge to printed edge, it's about 25. There you go. 25 by 25 is what it is. But it's cute, right? I love it. It's coming with that printed background. Look at this. Is all printed up here. Pinks and purples and some yellow. So I love, look at this rose down here is printed in the background. Loving me the printed backgrounds. It just makes the picture complete, if you know what I mean. Rather than just having it set on a white background. Yeah, love it. Love it. They're doing great things, guys. Great things. All right, let's see what we have. There looks to be a lot of special shapes in there besides just rhinestones. So let's see what we get. All right. We get a selection of rhinestones. The clear, very light pink, darker pink. Are we focused? Are we focused? No, we're not. Let's focus. Yellow. Ooh, that's pretty. So is that. Those are both really pretty. That's gorgeous too. And a gold. Okay, then here's the specials. We have a AB. We have a red. This is smooth. Love that. Love these. Look at shards. I call them shards. Those are pretty. So there's a lot of those. That's cool. And then some orange, faceted round. Pretty, right? Pretty, pretty. All right. I don't know how I'm going to decide the special projects I'm going to work on. I'm nowhere near ready to decide that. Okay. Here's a oopsie daisy. Mindy's like, whoopsie daisy. I have this already. But I think I just unboxed it yesterday from somebody and I got it put together actually. So it is this bee. Remember, I showed you the bee. You might see, I don't know which one you're going to see first, but there's a bee and you drill both sides, put drills on both sides of the bee, okay? And then it comes with this whole bag of the dangly parts. And I looked at it and I was like, I have no clue. I had to go back, find a picture, look at a picture, figure out. And then these rings, these square rings, I was like, how do you use that thing? All right, I got it figured out. I'll show you. Mr. Dipple helped me put it together. The drills are just some rhinestones. Well, except those were slivers. Okay, let me show you. I'll show you how it goes, all right? This might be helpful. It wasn't easy to do, let me tell you that, because those rings are really, really difficult. They're super difficult. Dale had to get a knife, and he had to pry them open with a knife and all kinds of stuff. So let me show you how it works. And it's already tangled up. Really? Why are you tangled? No, it's not. Okay. So first thing off, we start with one of the square, I'll just call it like a jump ring, but it's square. And that ring opens up at the end of the chain. See the little opening there? There's a little opening where it's not quite closed. And that goes into the ring at the bottom, the loop at the bottom. Okay, so then there's your chain. Then we do the same thing at this end. We open up, we open up the ring and put the ring through that loop, okay? And then this opens up and goes into the hole in the top of the B. See how that works? So there's that, okay? Now we just do the opposite thing at this end, except it goes into the B. And then this has like the keychain type. These were the ones that were really hard to do. These are the ones I couldn't get open enough to get this loop into there. But you gotta open up that, and that's where Dale had to get his knife out and stuff. Okay, it was a little difficult, not lying. That's why he helped. And then you do this end. So here's the whole thing, right? Oh, shoot, and then look it just came right out because, like I said, it's gotta be closed up better. This is not closed enough right here because the ring is open. So I'm gonna have to do some overlapping thing with the ring. Yeah, can I get it back in there? Let's see. Yep, okay. So this ring has got to close a whole lot better than that, okay? Let's just squeeze and overlap. Okay, maybe that'll work. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's done. You got a chain to hang it from, all your stuff dangles off the bottom, and here's the chain to hang it from, right? But, I mean, it takes some work. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna get some pliers, I think. I'm gonna squeeze all those rings tight. Just squeeze them, right? Overlap them past themselves, you know what I mean? So that doesn't happen. Okay, so that's how it goes together. I thought you guys might like to know that, all right? Thought you might like to know that. What do we have in here? No clue. We'll find out in about 30 seconds. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Do I have another repeat? I don't know. This could be another repeat. I'm gonna have to look when I get my stuff out. I think I have this. Do I have that? I think I do. I don't know. Anyhow, I was talking to somebody yesterday, and I was like, with all of these wreaths and things, these hanging objects, I have them in many different varieties now. I have some that are just acrylic, clear. Oh, look at that. Wow. That's no good, is it? That one broke. Completely broke. All right. I was saying, okay, this one has paper on the back of it. Poor guy, he's got a broken wing. It's got paper on the back, right? And I was thinking this is like a paper film on the back, that maybe it was helping this acrylic not crack like that. But apparently that's not true, because that one just broke. All right. Anyhow, there's that. He's cute. Well, we'll see what we can do. I don't know. I'll let him know it's broke, of course, but, you know, I don't expect them to send me another one, especially if I have to. Maybe we can just fix him. Fix him somehow, put some tape on the back of it. I don't know. Comes with a chain to hang it by and a suction cup. You can hang it off a window or something. And then the drills. Okay, I'm just gonna not go any further with that one. And that's unfortunate that he's broke. Wow, okay. Okay, this seems to be a hard type thing, but it's just in a bag. So crossing my fingers, right? Cross my fingers that it's okay. Let's find out. Let's find out. Okay, so here's what I was talking about. This one is white. Okay, there's some that are the clear acrylic, front and back. There's some that have the paper on it, like the butterfly did. And then there's some that are white, like this. This is a white plastic. I have not seen any of the white plastic ones that have cracked. And I would have told you I hadn't seen any with the like paper film on the back of them that had cracked. But I guess, you know, that just proved me wrong. So, okay. This one's in perfect shape. All right. It's just flowers, butterflies. Pretty though, right? Flowers and butterflies. Lots and lots of different shapes. Look at all those B's and A's and D's and C's. Lots of shapes besides the rhinestones. These are cool because they kind of come with a colored. I just did one that had like a blue background and then some white, but they can put color on the back of that. And so it's not just all white, which is cool. What do you think? I like it. Not cracked. It's in good shape. It's just this white plastic. All right. So there's that one. All right. Let's see what we have for drills. What do we have? What do we have? Sorry. Sometimes these packages are long and it takes a long time to get it all open. So when you get them in the strips like this, there will be a letter or a number on the back, on the package, like 1. And so you know you're going to do all the 1s with that. And then we got clear, which is the 2s. We have like a coral color, a pink, a blue, and another green. So they're just numbering them so far, 7, 8, and 9. Then we get to the special ones, and you'll see that's A. Those are cool. That's a smooth red. Kind of like the baby to those, right? Mom and baby, kind of. Then we have a purple, and then we have some of the orange faceted. And so those are A, B, C, and D. So you'll just look on here, and you'll find the A's, and the D's, and the B's, and the C's. So they're all marked on the bags, which is cool. Makes it very easy. All right. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to throw in one more painting since we're only at 12 minutes, just to make the next video a little shorter. Let's get a little one. We'll just grab a little one. All right. And then the next one can just be, because I kind of shorted our video with the broken butterfly. Anyhow, shortened it with a broken butterfly. All right, what's this one? Small, 30 by 30. Here's our toolkit, got some wax and stuff. So what do we have? We have 15 shapes, colors, printed background. Not totally printed, but a little printed. I like that. Oh, look, it is an owl. Welcome to the owl family. Merry Christmas, Mr. Owl. Mr. Owl with his Christmas tree. He's cute, isn't he? He's cute. Yes. So we'll have to do some work to get these deep creases out, these fold lines. I think I'm going to end up probably ironing some canvases. Look at, they cut this one wonky from the other neighboring painting. Anyhow, he's cute. Got his hat and his scarf on, sitting by his Christmas tree. He's cute. Little bitty thing. I love him. These are the ones I just want to put in the scrapbook. I'm gonna start working on that. I'm trying to limit the product reviews, the unboxings, and do some work, you know, actually do some stuff with what I've got. That's my plan. Okay, it's the plan, Stan. All right, amber color, blue, 2 greens, and bright yellow, okay? More rhinestones coming. A golden yellow, the clear, couple of pinks, pretty red. Ooh, black ABs. Ooh, where did the black ABs go? There's a whole bunch of them. I don't know. There's a whole bunch of them though. Huh. We have a marquee with some AB on it. We have a teardrop, no, another marquee, sorry. A little marquee, bigger marquee, gold balls, and red. Those do have some facets. Yes, they do. Those have some facets. So there you go, guys. All right, that's part one of this unboxing. And I got some duplicates, and I got something broken. Anyhow, all right. Stay tuned for part two. Excuse me. It will be coming, soon after this one. So hit the like button, subscribe, come back, see more stuff. Let me know what you think about these. What would you do? Do you think you can fix the broken butterfly? I'm going to fix it. I think I can just tape the back of it with some really good tape, and it will probably hold together pretty good. We'll see. Anyhow, glue didn't work, I'll tell you that. Glue did not work. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.